Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma Frames versus rectangles. We'll dive into their core functionalities, exploring how frames serve as powerful containers for responsive design, while rectangles function as basic shape layers. You'll learn the optimal scenarios for using each, ensuring your Figma workflow is efficient and your designs are well structured. This comparison will help you make informed decisions for your next project, whether you're building complex interfaces or simple graphics. Figma Frames are incredibly versatile, acting as robust containers for your design elements. They are the foundation for advanced features like auto layout, which allows your designs to adapt automatically to different content and screen sizes. Furthermore, frames enable you to set up constraints, ensuring elements scale and reposition correctly. You can even nest frames within each other, building intricate and organized design hierarchies with ease, making them essential for complex projects. Rectangles, on the other hand, are fundamental shape layers primarily used for basic visual elements. They are perfect for creating simple backgrounds, decorative shapes, or straightforward buttons. Unlike frames, rectangles do not inherently support the advanced layout features such as auto layout or constraints in the same powerful way. While you can group them, they lack the structural and organizational capabilities that frames offer, serving more as foundational visual blocks. To summarize, use frames when you need a container for other layers, such as for artboards, components, or sections requiring responsive behavior. Opt for rectangles when your need is a simple, static shape, like a background or a decorative element that doesn't require complex layout management. By understanding their distinct roles, you can effectively combine both frames and rectangles to create robust, organized, and highly functional designs in Figma, optimizing your workflow significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.